Today, I'm sharing how one of our clients sold their home for $300,000 above the asking price, even in a soft market. I'll break down the exact strategy we use and show you how the right approach can transform your home sale into a massive success. Let me walk you through how we did it. We had to understand our client's unique situation. This is a young family with growing kids. I sold them this property 10 years ago and they just needed more space. Because they were busy professionals, they just wanted a hands-off approach. And this is where we really shine. Our clients were willing to listen to us and our recommendations, and we were able to work together to get them to their real estate goals. Next up, we created a strategic and comprehensive marketing plan. That involved us going in, bringing some of our staging material, and helping to rearrange furniture, make sure everything looks nice and proper, so that we would be able to appeal to the most amount of customers coming through the door. Then we created a targeted online campaign pre-launch and post-launch to try to drum up as much interest, so as soon as we went to market, we could bring in as many buyers as possible. We also did that by creating a high-quality video content which highlighted key features of the property as well. If you're thinking about selling your home and want a team that puts your real estate goals front and center, stop by our website at undividedre.com and schedule a free consultation today. The link is in the description below. The results were incredible. We generated massive interest from day one. We received 8 competitive offers after the first open house. We went into contract within 15 days of launch, and we closed for over $300,000 above the asking price. This was even more incredible because we achieved this in a soft market environment. The proof is that the right strategy can make all the difference. And more than just selling the property, we also take pride in offering a white glove service. So we managed all the paperwork, we coordinated between all the parties, with the attorneys, the other side, the buyer side, their agent as well. We were there at every showing, we scheduled the appointments, we were at every open house, we negotiated the deal with the potential buyers, and we always acted as an intermediary. So whenever the offer was presented to us, we always presented it to the sellers. We gave them some options to choose from, and they always told us what they wanted us to do. So they were always in control. And we also provided support through the closing and beyond. We checked in after they had closed on the property. We made sure that everything was good, how they were settling in. And we helped them secure their next dream home as well. And we did the same thing with that and provided post-closing support. So this is what really makes us different. And that's how we turned a challenging market into an incredible success for this client. Every home has a story, and so does every sale. Stick around. Our next video dives into another real estate journey that could inspire your next move. We'll see you there.